Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, February 17th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is something you can drive a car on. Number 2 means belonging to a man or a boy. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The road is dry. The road is dry. Road. R-O-A-D. A road is a thing that you can drive a car on. Now we can make a card for road. Please write road up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, C-T-Y 1. This means city, level 1. Over here the number 35 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Row. Road. What about you? Do you drive a car on the road? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. His hat is black. His hat is black. His. It means belonging to a man or a boy. His hat is black. And for a girl, we say her hat. Now let's make a flashcard for his. Please write his up here in the top left corner, H-I-S. Down here, the category, I, me, my, 21. And over here, the number, 5 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you pronounce it? Very good. His. Game over. That was lots of fun. Today we learned, number 1, road. Very nice. Do you live near a road? Is it wide or narrow? Let me know in the comments. Number 2, his. For a man or a boy. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, very good. Something that shocks you. Number 2, convenient. Very nice. This means easy to use. And number 3, to spend $10. Irregular verb. Number 1, a surprise. Number 2, be convenient. And number 3 is spend, spent, spent. My name is Vinny from Canada. Please watch our live show. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. 25 classes every month. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Join anytime. After 2 years, you graduate.